Okay, day 2. Disneyland. Yay! Eh, simplihan lang natin yan. More pink, more pinks. Okay, let's go. Ang anak kong yan. Bumaga yung binigay ko, nak, na. Oh, diba? What did you say to mommy? Oh, pogi naman ng mga anak kong yan. Our day 2. Kalmahan lang ang forma. More short. Tapos ay, akala ko. Lahat kami naka-theme eh. Oh, Paksik ate. Oh, Pak-team, Mickey Mouse.
Hindi nga ako dapat nakaway.
Ikaw, punta po kayo Korea. Ako ba ikaw magtutulak? Sabi mo, mami. I'll take care of, Mojo. It's our breakfast.
Time. Breakfast time.
Breakfast buffet.
O, pupunta lang tayo sa pangpagkain. Ito, ano to? Parang mga with sausage, ito naka-soup. Ay, soup. Ay, sorry po. Kasalangan ko ba yun? Ito, ano sinabi ni ate? Comment down below. Ito. Bacon. Yun yung kinuha ko. And then, nilagay ko sa bowl. Juices. Juice. Oh, kimchi. Kimchi? I forgot. Mami, ano kinain mo po kanina?
Hash brown. Pork and beans. And veggies. With egg.
Si Mojo.
Ramen and rice.
Ramen, guys.
Ano
No.
Ano kinain mo?
Egg, rice, bacon, and I don't know what's this. It looks like
Bread.
Pandesal.
Just say bread.
bread pandesal.
Sure ka?
And Yakult.
Huh? Saan mo kinain niya, Cole?
Ano, sa refrigerator.
Te, ano kinain mo, te?
Kung anong kinain ni Miko.
Pakita si pa
Hash
tayo.
brown.
Ha?
Hash brown and egg.
That's it. Bacon din.
Pakainin nila mami and dada, parang dessert fruit.
We're going to Disneyland. We already take our breakfast. So now we're going to train. Going to Disneyland. Yay! Oh,
Can you hold this for a while? I need to stretch.
Where you gonna go?
train.
We're in the basement.
Smile. Ay, ang cute naman ang mga kuya ko. Oh. Bakit? Parang mali. Ha? Careful! Happy ka kay Kuya Matt?
Yes.
Love mo Kuya Matt? Love. Okay, it's time to put the sunscreen.
I need to put
Because it's
sunscreen.
very hot
I look
in
white,
here.
but I'm actually white.
In Hong Kong. Good job. Kuya Matt. Responsible naman yung kuya niyan. Wala na! Tayo sa unahan.
Dalawa kayo lagi.
Here. Okay ka? At ito nga. Mukha ba akong Mickey Mouse? Parang di man obvious mukha akong Mickey Mouse. Ito nga guys, alam niyo ba? Parang namin ng tao. It's holiday here in Hong Kong. So meaning, walang pasok. Ay, anyways, bakasyon naman nila. So, walang pasok lahat. Kaya, alam nyo na, maraming tao. Dahil nagbabadya ang bagyo at parang uulan. Bumili kami ng payo. Nag-iisa kami. Going now to the entrance. We're going to first. What are we going to ride first? Small?
Mommy, it's small.
Apa.
Ayun na po, nasa Disney na po tayo. And then,
Up yarn.
yung una, pupunta kami sa Small World. Small?
Word!
Mag-check-in na. Check-in na.
Ayan na, naabutan na kami ng ulan. Disneyland. Rainy season. Okay, rain or shine. We're here in Disneyland. Go, Kuya Moises. Oh, pak. Kuya Matt. Kuya Matt. Kuya Matt. Okay ka? Kaja! Si Miko. Umuulan na, Miko. Namumula pa rin mukha mo. Si Daday is not okay. Ayun nga mga Mars, grabe pagsubok agad sa amin. Pero hindi kami titigil. Kailangan pa rin namin maging masaya. Sayang to. Sayang momento to. Nakalang si Mojo, nagbo-walk na siya.
Salamat.
Mojo.
Mojo, don't say stroller ha, okay?
Hey, Mojo.
Small World. Yun o. Mojo! Are you excited?
Yay! We're in Small World.
Dati, sa Japan, close, di ba?
Yes.
Umiyak si Mojo.
But now,
Open!
Open!
Eh, kasi nasa Hong Kong yun. Oh. VIP kami. Thank you po, Dada.
Ay, sabihin nyo,
Dada!
parang wala naman ganong pilo.
kasor.
Iko!
Mami, okay lang yan. Ulit naman tayo. Ay, my idea. That's my idea.
Happy ka, Mojo? Happy ka po? Ayan, ang lakas ng trip namin. Bumalik kami ulit. Kasi mas gusto ni Miko ang walang pila tuloy. Ang may pila. Gusto ni Miko yung may challenge. Ayaw niya ng VIP. Ayan siya, oh. Miko! Hey! At may masayang bata. Hey! Kung alam lang namin, Miko, na gusto mo na may challenge, hindi na nag-VIP si Dada. Kevin, are you excited? Excited? Excited yan. Okay. For the second time around. For the second time around. Hey.
Mami, what is this? Filipino?
What?
Germany.
Happy birthday.
VIP access lang to.
So kasi anyway.
Okay?
Yung pala nga siya.
Roller coaster. But there will be the slide. So it's not a roller coaster.
For the first time
For my sister's magic night. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go. That's not.
Ayun o.
Ano ang pangalan niya na?
Kalimutan ko po.
Eto na. Hindi mo na tayo tatapon, Mi.
Ay, shit. Ala. Ala.
Winter's a desert to stay in and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
Nasaan na? Nasaan kami? Ayun o.
Sinisik! Sinisik!
There. Pupunta kami sa Pilar. Ay, Pilar. Pilar.
Kami mo.
Ano yan? PhilharMagic. Ambot. Pasok na kami.
We will begin soon. Very soon. It's showtime.
Hello. Na, kakain na kami sa ano to? Restaurant basta. Gutom na kami eh. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Oras na ba? Kaya ba? Mag 2 o'clock na. Mag 2.
门诊提问前，请各位坐好，并抓紧扶手，离开旋转木马时。
Merong cinta ay. Ayun o. Oh, Toy Story. Please. 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 Oh. Okay. VIP kami ulit. Na. Wow, dami 10,000 steps.
10,000 steps na tayo, te. Kahapon 9,000. Yeah.
I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion.
Ayan na. Wow. Hello. Ay. Ay, hello. Hi.
无法平平地轮到。
Pakis. Ingat. Take care. Take care. I love you guys. I love you. I miss you. Ada team. Tambay.
Let's go. Sige, bilis naman. Oh no! Sven! Pabilisan mo po, okay? Thank you. Thank you, Sven.
Sven, can you get our friends to the top of the hill? Now,
Testing.
perfect summer snow day!
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Please come again. Okay, we will come again. kami sa rides. Ay, hindi pa tapos. Punta pa kami sa mountain roller coaster. Si Mami tsaka si Kuya Moises hindi sama. Kasi si Mojo nandito. Mojo, are you ready?
Yes!
Ate, ready ka? Ready ka ba? Sure ka? Star Wars roller coaster. High speed daw. Kaya nasa pocket muna yung glasses ko. Nauntog ako! Grabe! Nauntog ako! Nauntog ako!
Seated until your vessel comes to completion. Gather your belongings and exit to your left.
Hey! Hey!
Ready ka na?
Bahala ka. Bahala sa buhay mo. Round 2.
Ready na?
Ready po.
Ready? Po? Ready po? Dadami ko? Teroma?
Ilak niyo yung sarap niyo.
Lock na po.
Stop na. Ready na? Ready. Ready. Ready.
Very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love.
Tignan mo. Miko. Miko. Ayun na. Wow.
And it's night here in Hong Kong Disneyland. We are waiting for the fireworks. Sorry, it's 8 in the evening. But this moment, we will find a Starbucks po para makapagkape at matcha muna kami. Pero kuya, ito yung pinaka na-explore natin lahat ng halos, no? Nasakyan natin halos lahat na.
Mga iba, mga konti lang hindi.
Kunti lang hindi, halos lahat. Kasi first, Small World. Nakadalawang ride tayo ng Small World. Then next, yung Frozen. Frozen tayo.
Na. Po, andito kami, umupo. With Mojo. Ayun no. Umupo kami. Kasi, ano oras na ba? Here in Hong Kong, it's already 7:27. Mojo, grabe ka. Mojo, grabe ka. Sa video to, oh. Say hello.
Hello.
Umupo kami kasi isang oras na lang kasi 8 o'clock yung fireworks show. Kaya at least umupo na lang kami para makikita namin.
Stick.
Light stick?
Light stick.
Of what?
Stick.
Frozen.
Light stick Frozen.
Again, here's the castle.
Wow.
At this moment, umupo na lang kami. Ito, umupo na lang kami. Kasi, antay namin yung parade. Ayan o. Parade pala. Fireworks pala.
While waiting for the firework, before 8 p.m. ang firework here in Disneyland. At this time, sobrang taas. Nako, napiface track ka nyo. Galaw ka. Ulit. Ganyan gagawin mo mamaya, ha? Dada, patingin! Parang di ka naman naboboring na eh.
Picture! Picture! Picture tayo.
The most magical party to be, you must spend it with friends and family.
Family! Come on, Michael! Come on! 저 음이생 파이널 식복의 케이크 파이널!
Remember. Bye-bye.
Meron pa kaming ano. Hindi pa kami nakaka-move on. Ang ganda ng performance ngayon ng Disneyland Hong Kong. Sa kanilang final production just for tonight.
This is the end of the video for the day 2 Disneyland.
Day 2?
So,
Day 1 pa lang tayo ngayon. Tinatapos mo na?
Day 1?
Oh, Day 1 tayo ngayon dito sa Disneyland. Day 2 here in Hong Kong.
Day 2 here in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Yan. Hong Kong.
Nakumpleto namin itinerary.
Disneyland.
Here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Bye-bye for now!
Please like and subscribe.
Pagod ka naman.
Teka lang, one more time. I have a video pa later.
Oh, it's Goldak.
Goldak Challenge again.
Yay.
Goldak Challenge Part 2 in Hong Kong.
Yay!
Sana hindi ako mag-cringe kung nanood ako ng itong video.
Some things never change, like the feel of your hand in mine. Some things stay the same, like how we get along just fine. Like an old stone wall that'll never fall. Some things are always true. Some things never change, like how I'm holding on tight to you.
Hello. Ito na. Again. I don't have lipstick. I don't have. Na red lang. I just taste lang kasi. The bulldog. And part 2 in Hong Kong. Cheese naman. Sana wala akong reaction kaya I have milk. Ito na. Sarap.
I like to eat, 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 eat,
No.
eat, 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 eat.
Again, forever. Bye.